Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is chapter 2, Along the Yellow Brick Road. The story is taken from a book, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, and its writer is L. Frank Baum. In this story, this girl who is very young, her name is Dorothy. Through the magic, she reaches to a land called Oz. There, in her adventurous journey, she meets so many new friends, and they were quite strange. So I would like to introduce these friends. This one is Dorothy, a new friend. He is called Scarecrow and a Tin Man. It was a sunny morning when Dorothy and Scarecrow were sitting by a beautiful clear water spring. Spring, it is a pool of water. Dorothy, she had bath, she drank water and had a light breakfast. While Scarecrow was looking at Dorothy thoughtfully. Thoughtfully means thinking carefully and quietly. Dorothy, knowing his mind, she smiled and was about to reply. Then suddenly came a deep groan sound. Groan means someone made a sound with a pain. So Dorothy asked, "From where this sound is coming from?" Scarecrow says, "Let us see." So both of them, they are about to search from where this sound is coming. Then suddenly they hear the second groan sound. And then they walked following the voice. They reached to the forest and they discovered. Discovered means they found that behind the trees there was a man. It was shining. And what it was? It was a tin man. It had an axe in his hand and all the body parts were joined together just like a human being. He could not stir up his head. Stir up means move. So Dorothy and Scarecrow were so amazed to see this tin man. And they said that, "Oh, you are the one who was making this groaning sound." Tin Man with a pain, he said, "Yes, it is I, a tin man. It is since a year now that I am lying here and no one has come to help me." Dorothy felt sad for him and she said, "What can we do for you?" Tin Man said, "Kindly go to my cottage and bring an oil can which is kept in a shelf." Dorothy rushes to bring that oil can. When she brings, Scarecrow holds his head and Dorothy puts this oil in his neck. Now Tin Man felt a sign of relief. He could move his head. Then Dorothy and Scarecrow, they put oil in his joints of the leg. And slowly now he can walk. So Tin Man could walk now. Tin Man was very grateful to both of them. And he asked, "How come that you are in this place?" Okay. So grateful. Grateful means thankful. Tin Man is thankful to both of them and he asked, "How come that you are in this place?" Dorothy replied, "We are going to Emerald City and there we will see King Oz. And this yellow road will help us to reach that place." So Tin Man says to Dorothy, "Why you want to meet Oz?" Dorothy says, "I want to go back to my land." And which is her land? Kansas. And Scarecrow wants a brain. And which could King Oz can give. Okay, so Tin Man says, would he grant him a heart? Then Dorothy says, yeah, why not? If he can grant a brain to Tin Man, why can't he will grant you? Why can't he grant a heart? In this manner, all three of them got together and started to go to the land of Oz, the Emerald City.